Hey Josh, we're at St. Charles and something Myers Road in Lombard, and we're outside a food truck. We saw a liquor store parking lot food truck, so had stopped by and get a taco. It's called Pariente Mix, and uh, and I got the alambre, which in their description is just a combination of stuff, but it actually looks pretty freaking good. Let's check this out here. It's just a combo mix of all their meats with on the griddle, finished on the griddle with some cheese. Oh, with some peppers. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is hitting the spot. So if you happen to need grabbing some liquor at Foremost Liquors in Lombard, grab some tacos too. Oh, look it out. Ah! All right, see ya.